Hi, and welcome to AppExchange Mavericks. My name is Tigh Loughhead, and I am the founder at Forcery, a MarTech consultancy and Salesforce partner, and a 5-time Salesforce MVP. I am super excited to be here today with Sophie Vu, Unbabel's CMO, to learn about their awesome AppExchange solution. Hi, Sophie, and welcome. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit more about Unbabel and what it does?
Sure, Tigh, and thanks for having me today. A little bit about myself. I'm Sophie Vu. I've been with Unbabel now for 2 years as CMO. We get to run a customer advisory board for some of the largest customer-centric brands in the world and support their business objectives when they seek to scale globally and enter new markets. One of the biggest challenges our customers encounter on their path to international expansion is being able to provide fast, accurate, and quality customer support, along with the costs associated. As a customer-driven organization, you want your customers in Germany to have the same great customer service experience as your customers in Japan, without having to hire dedicated native speakers to support each one of your markets individually. The Unbabel solution integrates natively with Salesforce Service Cloud to activate automatic language translations across different communication channels, without any disruption to the agent workflow or requiring additional training. So for example, if your customer submits a ticket in their native language, let's say German, and it is received by one of our agents in a call center across the world in India, your customers will experience a timely and virtually seamless resolution. Think of Unbabel as an invisible layer between your agents and your global customer base, automatically translating their conversations for faster and better quality support to customers anywhere in the world.
Very cool. And speaking of being timely and ensuring quality, as businesses transform digitally, customers are becoming more demanding in the support they receive in terms of time to resolution and the quality with which support is handled. Customers are more vocal about their experiences on social media and other platforms like Google and Yelp. What does quality look like with Unbabel, as well as the typical turnaround time for multilingual translation customer support?
You're absolutely spot on about customer expectations, Tigh. In fact, in our recent survey, we uncovered that 68% of consumers would switch to a different brand that offers support in their native language. That's why translation quality is our core principle at Unbabel, as we were built precisely with the end-to-end customer service experience in mind. Our Service Cloud chat integrations enable real-time conversations, inbound and outbound, from the customer's native language to the language of the agent's choice. You can also train our machine translation engines just like you train any other human agent. You share with them your style guides, glossaries, key terminology to ensure your messaging is consistent and current, as well as specific to your industry. Take the word clutch, for example. A fashion company would use it to describe a type of purse, while an automobile company would use it to refer to a car part. And for the younger generations in the gaming and media industry, they've adopted their own lingo to where clutch means cool. Context and personalization are paramount when translating words and idioms, and Unbabel was built with this in mind. As for cases like support tickets, there is more of a need for message quality or refinement. Our proprietary quality estimation tool determines whether or not to bring a human into the loop for further review and some extra TLC, which naturally requires an additional few minutes added to the process. Take idioms, for example. Have you ever tried using Google to translate the phrase, "let's play it by ear" from English to Spanish? We did, and unless you are planning to play with your customer's hearing, such literal translations become meaningless. Additionally, our advanced AI learns from conversations over time, so words and phrases that are consistently used throughout your organization become recognized and automated. With the precision and speed of our technology, combined with the quality of local experts who are native in the languages we support, we truly deliver solutions that are custom to your business needs.
Customer service is arguably the most sensitive area of a business, especially in the sense that a bad strategy or approach could cause irreparable damage to a brand. However, securing additional resources and headcount isn't always feasible for multiple reasons, including budget. How does Unbabel help elevate businesses' customer service strategy with limited resources and staff in place?
That's the unfortunate truth. Today more than ever, businesses need to respond to and resolve inquiries with agility and consistency across the most effective customer channels to avoid churn and poor brand reputation. Getting the green light for customer service expansion doesn't have to be that complex. From a business case perspective, we were built to support cost optimization and to streamline operational efficiencies. So rather than having to hire 3 different people to support 3 different languages, you can equip your one already trained agent with multilingual superpowers so they are able to accommodate multiple languages at once, all while maintaining that high-quality customer experience your customers have come to expect. You're essentially maximizing the value of your existing resources that are already in place and integrating into the workflows they are already accustomed to. With Unbabel, you eliminate the need for approvals and physical call centers within new markets and can focus on hiring for skill and expertise, not language. This reduces cost and complexity in training, quality assurance, and knowledge across multiple languages, plus doubles response and resolution rates.
Wow, sounds like a very cool product. I would love to see it in action.
Sure, Tigh, let me show you. We integrate with Service Cloud to enable automatic language translations for cases, chat, and knowledge base. Let's start by showing our integration for support cases. Let's say we have a German customer named Klaus who bought new shoes from a US-based sports company, but unfortunately the pair was too big. He reaches out to customer support in his native language. With Unbabel, our customer support agent from the sports company, let's call her Catherine, is able to log into Salesforce, open the case, and she will not only see the email from Klaus in German, but the translation in English right above. As you can see, Klaus's message is now crystal clear to Catherine. With that, Catherine can simply reply back to Klaus's email in English or populate the reply with saved responses using quick text and templates. Catherine's reply gets automatically translated to German, and the message gets sent to our quality estimation technology. If the translation quality is not hitting the mark, the message then gets reviewed within minutes by a native speaking specialist. Klaus will then receive a personal reply in his native language without even knowing that Catherine doesn't speak a word of German. For the chat flow, we offer a real-time translation between agents and customers. In this case, our next customer, let's call him Lucas, reaches out to a travel agency called Off Road Trip for customer support in his native language, Portuguese. When Catherine opens the chat, she will already see the customer's message translated into her preferred language. Catherine can write a response back or use quick text, and the reply is instantly translated by Unbabel's machine translation engines. Lucas receives a reply in Portuguese thanks to Catherine having the multilingual ability to understand and respond to him in real time.
Great demo, Sophie. I loved seeing Unbabel live. Your survey also uncovered that more than 2/3 of global consumers believe that it's extremely important that brands offer an end-to-end customer experience in their native language. Can you provide a couple examples of how customers are using Unbabel's solution end-to-end?
Sure, Tigh. So today, a large portion of our customers are Fortune 500 companies, mostly within tech, retail, gaming, and travel industries. Businesses rely on Unbabel for a variety of use cases, aside from cost optimization and streamlined efficiencies, which we've already touched upon. Unbabel helps brands adapt to seasonal surges during primetime retail spikes like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, while meeting goals for response and resolution metrics. Unbabel plugs right into your workflows to help onboard agents faster, achieve peak utilization, and reduce agent workload or burnout during these busy times. We've seen instances where our customers experience an increase of 25% in CSAT in just 12 months after partnering with us. Another use case, businesses enlist Unbabel to enhance their global brand reputation. We recently facilitated the expansion of an international food supply retail client whose core market was predominantly US into non-English speaking markets. The company uses the phrase wood fire flavored in its English marketing materials, but found many Italians were actually offended by this description. In fact, the company received inquiries regarding the health implications of wood fire flavors from many concerned locals. Unbabel supported the end-to-end experience, from adapting their approach to targeting local customers, with white glove translations to their glossaries and phrases, through providing native language customer support that is AI-driven and human-refined. This resulted in almost 10% user growth, 63% conversion rate, and 88% revenue growth year over year.
Sophie, this incredible product is speaking my language, and it's so great to learn more about what Unbabel can do. Thank you so much for your time today. Is there anything else our viewers should know about Unbabel, and where can they go to find more about the product?
Thanks, Tigh. It was fun. I think the biggest takeaway here is to think about Unbabel as beyond another machine translation vendor. We support our customers to deliver quality, linguistic, technical, and business excellence, which they can also pass on to their customers. We're all about removing language barriers by scaling customer service operations, reducing costs, managing growth, and ultimately enable our customers to deliver a world-class experience. You can find us at unbabel.com as well as in the AppExchange.
Thank you for joining us today on AppExchange Mavericks.